We are working at the Faculty of Music of Laval University at Quebec City in Canada. We are a francophone university of 42,000 students, and our faculty is having around 320 undergraduate students and 130 students doing a master or a doctoral degree. So we are a small faculty, but we are also very proactive. We are offering several programs in music, like music performance in classical, popular or jazz music, and also in composition and research creation. But our faculty is specialized in music education and instrumental pedagogy. So for example, our faculty is the only one in the province of Quebec and probably also in Canada to offer graduate studies in instrumental pedagogy. We also have a team of professors doing research regarding music learned and practiced in the community in terms of music engagement and also in terms of well-being or social development. So all this research is done in the LaRFADI, which is a lab of research in ear training and instrumental pedagogy, where we install the AMX technologies to facilitate our work. The first issue we had at our faculty was to have a high-tech lab to be able to realize our projects of research in the best condition to be competitive internationally in terms of research in music education. So to do so, we also needed rooms with soundproof and sound acoustic treatment, which is extremely important when we do research with music. And the second issue we had was to have a high-tech lab where our graduate students in research can do different experimentation to study some innovative approaches in music pedagogy or in ear training. So that was crucial for us to have a lab full equipped of technologies to expand their possibilities of research and also to expand the type of projects they can do at the faculty. So in other words, we need such a lab to realize a variety of applied project research in our field and to work closely in collaboration with music teachers giving group or private music lessons inside or outside the school system to facilitate their inclusion into our projects.
The technology we have into our lab allow us to study oral skills and instrumental pedagogy from a scientific research perspective. The video recording and observation system we have allow us to go in deep experimentations of music teaching and learning from an ecological perspective as normal classrooms, in group or individual settings. That allow us to study music teaching and learning strategies to better understanding motivation, participation and engagement regarding music learning and music activities. They also allow us to understand the perceptual and oral cognitive skills development through the use of individual computers and pads to record what the students doing, writing, singing or playing, to better understand the thinking processes needed to succeed certain tasks. Moreover, we have an eye tracking machine to explain the individual differences regarding thinking and reading music, music engagement, stress, or other parameters. In addition, all the technology equipment is letting us experiment and develop new pedagogical technology software, application and video games based on the interest of the new generations. Finally, the interconnections between all our technologies give us the possibility to share our results and collaborate with researchers around the world or to develop multidisciplinary projects together. Several main benefits for the institution and to our students emerged. Primary, The results of these studies can be applied to our undergraduate students' training to help them to succeed and to resolve their learning difficulties on several domains as oral skills. Secondary, they also give us some crucial information to improve the pedagogy of our students doing graduate students in instrumental pedagogy and to help them to apply the best learning strategies into their teaching. Finally, our graduate students are able to work with high technology installations to facilitate the realizations of their projects and to train competent researchers in their field of interest with a stimulated and rich environment.